High-quality AC units from Robinair. For an efficient air conditioning service and to empower your daily work in professional workshops. AC12348i from Robinair is a fully automatic unit with premium accuracy. With comprehensive maintenance options for routine functions, as well as extraordinary functions and accessories, such as flushing and diagnostic yield of the vehicle AC system. Controlling and managing all functions is made easier thanks to a Swivelling control console with a graphical user interface. The innovative oil injection system eliminates cross-contamination of lubricants. AC units from Robinair for an efficient air conditioning service and to empower your daily work in professional workshops. Its powerful deep recovery rate of 99% saves time. High-quality service is guaranteed via a dual-stage vacuum pump with the highest flow rate on the equipment market. The mobile app allows a status check of the AC unit in real time. And all AC units are compatible with the Bosch connectivity standard, connected repair, and with ASA network. High-performance equipment in every detail. The development has led to an intelligent product according to the customer's user experience and with a perfect balance between robustness and maneuverability. High-quality AC units from Robinair since 1956. Robinair, your partner today and in the future.